Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are tackling A Levels Year 2 Pure Maths Mixed Exercise from Unit 1 Algebraic Method. I will guide you step by step showing clear methods to solve each question so you can master equations, factorization and algebraic manipulation with confidence. So question number 4 is simplify 4x square minus 8x divided by x square minus 3x minus 4 multiply x square plus 6x plus 5 divided by 2x square plus 10x. Just you have to simplify this. For this purpose, without wasting of time, we will just solve this in a very easy and short way. Just you take 4x common from this. Remaining is x minus 2, and in the denominator you will write the factor of this, that are x minus 4 and x plus 1. Here we again make the factors of 5 such that when they are added give 6. So we get x plus 5 and x plus 1. And in the denominator we will take 2x as common, remaining is x plus 5. Now cancel the same factors, like x plus 1 is cancelled, x plus 5 is cancelled, x and x are cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you get 2 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve B part of question number 4. Now we will solve this as ln means when subtraction is its mean, we will divide. So we will get 4x square minus 8x into x square plus 6x plus 5 and divide this by x square minus 3x minus 4 and 2x square plus 10x. In the next step we will take 4x as common. Ln is right as it is and remaining is x minus 2, and make the factors of this. So x plus 1 and x plus 5. Here we will make the factors of 4, when they are subtracted gives 1. So 4 and 1, so we will write x minus 4 and x plus 1. And here we will take 2x as common, so remaining will be x plus 5. Now cancel out the same values, x plus 1 is cancelled out, x plus 5 is cancelled out, 2x is cancelled out by this. So you get ln 2 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. Now we will solve this as, and this is equal 6. In the question this value is equal 6. So we will solve this as, take e on both sides. So e raised to power 6 equals 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 4. Now we will easily solve the value for x, that 2x minus 4 equals x e raised to power 6 minus 4 e raised to power 6. You have to find the value of x. So 2x minus x e raised to power 6 equals minus 4 e raised to power 6 plus 4. Now take x is common from this. So you get 2 minus e raised to power 6, and here you can take 4 as common. So e raised to power 6 plus 1. So write this as x equal 1 minus e raised to power 6 divided by 2 minus e raised to power 6. So this will be the answer. Now question number 5 is, if g of x equal 4x cube minus 9x square minus 9x divided by 32x plus 24 and divided by x square minus 3x by 6x square minus 13x minus 5. You have to find this g of x equal ax square plus bx plus c. So we will solve this as, so g of x equal, we will take as, first of all, x is taken common from this. X is common, remaining is 4x square minus 9x minus 9. And in the denominator, you will take x as common. 8 is common. X is common. 8x is common from this. And you get 4x plus 3. Here we will convert this to a multiplication sign, and then 6x square minus 13x minus 5, and in the denominator we will take x into x minus 3. Now make the factors of 36. When they are subtracted, give 9s. So x into, we will get 4x plus 3 and x minus 3, and in the denominator we have 4 plus 3. Here we have to make the factors of 30. When they are subtracted, give 13. So 10 into 3 will be used. So we will write the factors as, to make the factors of 30, 15 into 2. So 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 5. X into x minus 3. X minus 3 cancel out, x and x are cancel out, 4x plus 3 is cancel out. Remaining is 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 5 divided by 8. So by multiplying this, we will get 6x square minus 13x minus 5 divided by 8. So write the value of a, b and c. So a equal 3 by 2, by 4, b equal minus 13 by 8, and c equal minus 5 by 8. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the b part of this. Now we have to find in the b part of question number 5, find the derivative at x and then put x equal minus 2. So we will solve this as, g dash of x will equal 2 into 3 by 4x minus 13 by 8. So this will be 3 by 2x minus 13 by 8. Now x equal minus 2. So we will write this as, 2 and 2 are cancelled out. So by taking the LCM 8, we will get minus 24 minus 13. So this will be minus 37 over 8. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 6. Now the question number 6 is 6x plus 1 by x minus 5 plus 5x plus 3 over x square minus 3x minus 10. We will solve this as 6x plus 1 over x minus 5 plus 5x plus 3. Write the factors of this to make the 10, and when we subtract, give 3. So 5 into 2. So the factors are x minus 5 and x plus 2. Now take the LCM, x minus 5 into x plus 2. and remaining is 6x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus 5x plus 3. Now we will get x minus 5 into x plus 2, and here when we multiply 6x square plus 12x plus x plus 2 plus 5x plus 3. So we get 6x square, 15 plus 1 13, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. 6x square plus 18x plus 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, divided by x minus 5 into x plus 2. So this will be the answer. So you can see how easily we have solved all the questions. In the next video we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.